सनद बिल्डर्स and developers. घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे. Flat prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
This government is a people's government, and our role is to see that we reach out to the doorstep of the people to carry out the mass vaccination program. So today the meeting is still going on. We have given directions to all the health officers. What is the modality and the way of approach? And also suggestions have been coming. Joint Secretary has also been making suggestions. Director has been making suggestions. Dean was there, he has made some suggestions. And also we are, in order to check that yesterday on NDTV also I mentioned genome sequencing machine which is there for testing, which variant it is. That is also important. Somebody asked me, do you think it's a different variant? How can I say which is a different variant? We got till now only 5 cases of a different variant in Goa. That is the UK strain. But this strain, what it is, we will know once we get that machine. We will exactly know what is the protocols to be followed. And as a result of which, in the disaster management committee, we decided to get this machine. We have got a state-of-art virology lab. We'll have it. There's a US-based company that manufactures this, and it is to be done under specific conditions and protocol. We will be doing that. And because आम्ही जे सॅम्पल NIB धाडटा ते सॅम्पल 15-20 दीस सोडूनच दी, जे धाडले ते परतूच येवंक ना सॅम्पल, म्हणून आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता मागीर. म्हणून आमी आमचो सेल्फ सफिशियंट, कोणाकूच आमकां कल्पना नाशिल्ली की कोविड फाटल्या वर्साच्यान ह्या वर्साच्यान ह्या परत एकदा पीक जातलें म्हणून. हे कोणाकूच खबर नासलेली गोष्ट. म्हणून काल प्रधानमंत्रीन सांगलेलें आसा की वॅक्सिनेशन घेतलें तरी बी मास्क घालपाची गरज आसा. काल हे बी सांगलेलें आसा. आतां लोक आमकां परत विचारता कोविड वाडल्या तुमचो कितें स्टँड. त्यांनी मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोनचेर चड भर दिवपाक आमकां सांगलेलें आसा, आनी आमी तें करतलेच. जे खंय मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट थंय स्ट्रिक्ट रावा म्हणून सांगलां. कदाचित कांय गोश्टीचेर त्यांनी जे उल्लेख केला सगळे एवरीबडी इज अ विटनस टू ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स स्पीच, and vaccination is something that he has suggested that we should aggressively go. Countries that have gone in for mass vaccination drives, we find, have been much better off, where they have completed the thing, and so the cases there have seemed to have dropped to a great extent. But that doesn't mean that if you take a vaccine, you are free of COVID. No, precautions you need to take. So as far as Goa is concerned, we are going to go as per the guidelines given by we have been told that the SOPs that were issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to be strictly followed. And similarly, in Goa itself, we are coming out with our own SOPs on gatherings and other things, having lesser number of people for any kind of open event or closed door event. So we have to strictly follow that. So today's briefing to you was on the mass vaccination, panchayats which we are involved in the first phase. This is independent of the 11th to 14th what Prime Minister has announced. So this is how we want to move forward.
One thing I just want to know is anything as far as
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मुर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.